What am I doing, Chef John, you ask? I am here peeling some Louisiana shrimp. We're in the Monument Griddle booth here in New Orleans, Louisiana at the Hearth, Patio, and Barbecue Expo 2026. I had the privilege of meeting the grill sergeant, Chef Andrew, this past week here in New Orleans. And Andrew left us some of his prize seasoning, Grill Sergeant's Squeal Team 6, which is a clever name, guys. Support your troops, support Grill Sergeant. Guys, you should never ever throw away your shrimp shells, especially if you're in the barbecue industry, grilling industry. You want to go ahead and take these shells and put them in a smoker. You want to put a light smoke on them, but it's going to go ahead and you're going to make a bisque out of that, or just even a stock out of it. But the depth of flavor from that shrimp, the smoked shrimp, is going to add any kind of, just wonderful depth to your gumbos, your soups, even just a tomato bisque. If you add a little bit of shrimp stock to it, always smoke your shrimp shells and make a stock out of it. We'll be sorry, guys.
Monument tip number 22.
Monument tip 2022.
Thank you, Grill Sergeant, for leaving us some of your rub. This stuff is delicious. We're going to season up these shrimp, and we're going to use, we had 2 pans of it, so we're going to use it a couple of ways. First thing we're going to do is we're going to season it up nicely, and then we're going to cook it right on the grill, but we're going to use the new smoke trays. So here we're lighting the grill, and over on the left side you see those smoke chips. So we've got some smoke rolling, and we're going to grill and smoke this shrimp and offer it to the guests of the HPBE. Now we're going to season up a second batch, and this one we're going to use for our jambalaya, and that one we're going to cook on the brand new Monument Griddle. This is kind of a sneak peek, guys. It will be available on their website, just like Grill Sergeant's spice is available on his website. So here we got the griddle. We got a little bit of oil on the griddle, that seasoned shrimp, and then we are going to get a little color on it. Now we're going to add some rice that's already been cooked. This is a jambalaya rice, and now we're just kind of reheating it. This is almost like a stir fry. Look how pretty that looks. Doesn't that look delicious? Get you a scoop. Make sure we get a beautiful shrimp on there. There we go. Turn it around so we can catch the light. I think you'd be happy if I handed you a sample of that. Now let's go ahead and we'll make the jambalaya from the start. We got some shrimp on the griddle. We're going to spread it out so it gets good contact. Now this griddle features new technology, guys. This thing is going to be no stick, no rust. It's got a special treatment to it that will allow it to be long lasting. And you should not have to keep re-seasoning it in the same way that you've had to re-season your typical cast iron griddles. This thing was awesome to cook on. See, here we've got the rice going on. And I want to point something out as I am working on this dish. You see how the rice is sticking onto the spatula there? Just kind of watch that throughout this cook. So the rice itself is starch. It's sticky and it's sticking to that. But here in this application, we're using the griddle. And look how the rice is not sticking to that griddle at all. It's really incredible. I was blown away. Super excited to have been able to use this griddle the whole time that we were there at the HPBExpo in the Monument Grills booth. And there you go. See how easily that rice just slides up off of that griddle? But look at the spatula. It's still, it's sticking to that. So anyway, that's just something that I wanted to show you. And I know Monument Grills is going to be featuring these griddles over the next few months and years, and you will be happy to own one. I guarantee it. And then that way you can turn your grill into a griddle, and then you just have one piece of equipment, and you don't have to have 2 or 3 clogging up your patio. But anyway, pretty awesome. Now let's go and serve some guests. And if you've got any questions, leave them here in the comments.
Valley, which is about a mile high.
Okay.
It's about
you go.
an hour from Phoenix, so
Okay.
it's still
I forget how big that
good
state
distance
is.
from the grandkids.
But it's still fun to visit. Mm-hmm. How many grandkids?
8 scattered around.
Okay.
Oh, right.
We had a blast cooking at the Monument Grills booth at the HPBExpo. Here we're making some alligator sausage. I got to hang out with Grill Sergeant, and since we're both from San Antonio, we decided to have a little bit of fun with some AI and see if we could do some grilling in front of the Alamo. On this grill right here, so we decided to take those pictures, and AI generated that one. What do you think? I think it's pretty fun. But here we go. This is a little bit of a glimpse of what was going on in the Monument Grills booth. They had all of these great grills set up along with the accessories. And the salesmen were there telling you all about it. It's me and Pooch hanging out in the Monument Grills booth. Me and Dad got this. And there we are, the 4 amigos. One of the fun things about running an expo booth like this is keeping the menu changing. We grilled chicken, seasoned it with a bunch of different stuff. We used it in different recipes. We did crab cakes, stuffed crab cakes on the half shell. We did that alligator sausage. That was a big draw. People loved it. We had some fun making AI thumbnails. Here's another one where we were just trying stuff out, you know. Here's a map that they had up at the Monument Grills booth, and you can see people signed in from all over the country. People were digging it. They came to the booth. They learned about the products. They learned about the grills. They learned some new food. They tried new food, tried new things. And to me, that's what this is all about. You know, just sharing the experience and the love of barbecue. See you soon here at the Chef's Backyard. Peace and love.